Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable 1Password setup with iPhone Safari Autofill detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have the latest version of 1Password installed on your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Passwords. You may be prompted to use Face ID or Touch ID to access your passwords. Next, tap on Autofill Passwords. Turn on the toggle for Autofill Passwords. You should see an option labeled 1Password. Tap on it to enable 1Password for autofill. Now, exit Settings and open the 1Password app. If you're not signed in, enter your master password to access your vault. Once you're in, navigate to your saved items. Make sure that you have your logins saved in 1Password. Now, open Safari on your iPhone. Navigate to a website where you have an account. Tap on the Login field. You should see a prompt suggesting the use of 1Password. Tap on the 1Password suggestion to autofill your username and password. If you don't see the prompt, tap the key icon located above the keyboard. Select your login from the list displayed. Verify your login details and proceed with logging in. You can repeat this process for any website where you have stored credentials in 1Password. That's how you enable 1Password setup with iPhone Safari Autofill. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.